Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if you're seeing the annoying error message like too many free trials account used on this machine when trying to use a Cursor AI, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix this problem step by step so you can get back to using Cursor AI hassle-free. So let's dive in. So first of all, this error usually happens because Cursor AI tracks your browser data. So start by clearing your browser cookies and cache. So for that, open up your Chrome browser and then tap on the three dot. Now go ahead and scroll below, then tap on settings. Inside settings, you want to go ahead and tap on privacy and security. Inside here, tap on delete browsing data. Now go ahead and simply select cookies and other sites and cache images or files. Once you have done that, simply tap on delete data, and after that restart your browser and try logging into Cursor AI again. If that didn't work, you can go ahead and simply open up an incognito or private browsing window. Tap on this three dot, then tap on a new incognito window. So, this mode does not use your existing cookies or cache, giving you a clean slate. And then after that, you can simply try logging into Cursor AI here and see if the error disappears. If you're still having some issues, you can simply try switching to a different browser like Firefox or Microsoft Edge, or you can use another device like your phone or tablet. Sometimes the restriction is tied to your browser or machine. And for the last result, you can simply try to use a VPN to change your IP address. Cursor AI may track your IP and block multiple trials, so connect to a different location via VPN and then try again. And that's it. Hopefully one of these steps helped you fix too many free trial account used on this machine error on Cursor AI. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.